Hi everybody, how's everything going on? Welcome back to the Learn and Earn channel. Today we are going to talk about how we can install Windows 11 as a brand new operating system released by Microsoft. Thank you, Microsoft. Okay, here we have the page that shows find Windows 11 specifications, features, and computer requirements. Today I'm going to talk about some of the problems that may cause not to be able to install Windows 11. This is the system requirements, as I told you in the previous video. Processor, RAM, storage, system firmware. This is very important. UEFI, secure boot capable. You should be sure that your laptop or PC is compatible with UEFI boot system. What is it? Here, as mentioned, you should be able to change your boot behavior of your system to UEFI. The older system is called Legacy. Since 1960s, 1970s, it was released. This is Legacy BIOS. You should go to the secure boot of your PC or laptop to see whether does it support or not. Here, come to the menu and press all settings. And in the update and security, go to recovery and then restart now. After this restart now, I cannot press it because I'm recording. The system will go to the advanced setup menu and in the next screen select troubleshoot, then advanced options, then UEFI firmware settings, and after that press restart to make the changes you want. Then your system will turn off and then turn on, something like restart, and instead of going into the Windows, it goes to the PC boot menu. In the PC boot menu, you have to search about the boot options, and in the boot options you can find if there is capability of changing from legacy CSM to UEFI. If you have this option, then you can install Windows 11. If not, I'm sorry, because your mainboard BIOS does not support the UEFI system, and of course it needs a GPT partitioning. You cannot have it also. At least you find out that your system is a little bit old and it's working with MBR file system. The second thing that you should know about installing Windows 11 is TPM, Trusted Platform Model, version 2. If you want to know your system does or does not support the TPM 2, you should check it from your own device. The first option that you can do it is to press Windows R button and type down the tpm.msc as shown here. Press OK. If you see something like this, here the specification version 2. As you see, my laptop supports the TPM2 option. But if you find out that you cannot see, there are two options. Maybe your system does support it, but it's turned off, or maybe your system doesn't support it. To find out what's going on, if your system supports the TPM2 or not, you should check it from the security processor details of your CMOS BIOS menu. There is another way also. You can go to the Windows security and go to the device security, and if you see this option security processor, it means there should be a chance again on the details. And as you see here also is shown that specification version 2 is enabled. If you see an option for security processor details, then you know that you have it. But for the people who has a system that supports TPM2 but it's not enabled, you should enable it. Go to settings, update and security, and recovery, and restart now, as I told you several minutes ago. Go to the troubleshoot, advanced options, UEFI firmware settings, and again restart, and go into the BIOS submenu of the UEFI BIOS labeled or advanced or security or trusted computing, depending on the brand of the main board of your PC or laptop. The option to enable the TPM may be labeled security device. This is the exact name, or security device support, or TPM state, or AMD for AMD main boards, of course, or AMD processors, AMD FTPM switch, AMD PSP FTPM, or Intel PTT, or Intel Platform Trust Technology. Again, if you are unsure to make any needed change, you have to consult your manufacturer of the computer, but these are not so complicated. You just have to see if it's present or not. But today I'm going to show you a new application that it's going to check itself. Go to whynotwin11.com and it's a free application. Download it. Install it. Here, you see this application. These are the currently known requirements. Architecture, you should have the 64-bit CPUs for Windows 11. Up to Windows 10, it was not necessary. Boot method, UEFI, it supports it, and also CPU compatibility not supported. It means that it doesn't know that if my CPU will support or not support. It's not so important because here Microsoft has mentioned that processor 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores, the compatible 64-bit processor on a system on chip. And the more important thing, disk partition type GPT. It means that I have already transferred from the MBR system to GPT partition system. I have enough RAM and secure boot is supported. Storage available. TPM version 2 detected. As you see, my CPU is Core i7 6500U. Of course, it's enough, and I have a dedicated graphic card and the second one also, so it's not a big deal for me. Here are some social network pages for this application. Thank you. Why not Windows 11? Okay, now with this information you can find out if your system is capable of Windows 11 to be installed. In the next video I will show you how to install Windows 11 in different ways. Please subscribe and let me know about your comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.